अच्छा भाई रवि भाई है हमारे साथ. Hi Ravi, how are you bro?
Hi brother.
So he's basically a student or he's working here also. So Ravi, how you get here? Just tell your story to people who are in
Yeah.
India or Pakistan. If they want to come here.
Like, hello everyone.
Huh?
First of all, big thanks to Bhai. He's trying to explore everything and share the new things or around the world to the people. So how I come here is first, after the graduation, you need to take 2 exams.
Okay.
For that, GRE and IELTS, we call IELTS. So after passing the exams, we have to apply for the university.
Okay.
So once we got the admission from the university, with that we have to book a visa slot, and once we get the visa, we can come easily here.
Okay.
Currently I am studying in Lamar University.
Okay.
Which is very cheap.
So how much is your annual expense total in lump sum?
Around it's maybe it's $20,000.
Total 20,000.
Yeah,
all.
the college fees, it's total fee of college is around 20 to 25,000. That's it.
And what about living expenses, food, living, hostel?
Per month, I'm living in outside, not in university dorms. So I'm staying in outside. I rent a apartment.
Okay.
So we are living 3 people.
Okay.
So it around cost 500 to 600 per month.
Okay.
With everything, room rent, energy bill, and groceries, everything. It's 5 to 6.
And you are earning that much from this job, right?
Yeah.
More than that, huh?
Yeah. Yes. Actually, I'm currently doing a part-time job.
Good, great.
In a grocery store, and I'm earning around if you do it depends upon you. How many days, how many hours you work. If you get a job in campus, in a campus, you'll get 20 hours in a week.
Okay.
So they'll probably pay you per hour $9, $10 around.
Okay.
So it will be 800 per month.
Okay. So that means your expense cost will be covered.
Yeah.
Plus you will have on top of the 200-300 in your pocket.
Yes.
But if you will do outside, then you will have more.
Yeah.
There are more chances.
It is not legal.
That's fine, no problem, no issue, we'll see. So भाई ये सीन है यहाँ पर. देखो ये रवि भाई हमारे पास यहाँ पे मतलब पैसे भी बना रहे हैं, एजुकेशन भी कर रहे हैं. So we wish him all the best after he complete his master. Inshallah you will have a very good white collar great job and you will be earning millions inshallah. We wish you. So he's from basically Hyderabad, Telugu, right?
Yes, brother.
So say your Telugu brother something in your language.
Hello, namaskaram. Yeah, I think
Telugu.
Sorry, అందరికీ నమస్కారం. అందరు బాగుండండి.
ओके ब्रो, थैंक यू. तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि मज़ीद लोग भी इससे मुस्तफ़ीद हो सकें और अपना कैरियर बना सकें.